Hello. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Percy. Hi, Bruno. Hi, Percy. Hi, Diesel. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Okay, this is boring. We need something entertaining. Gather round, you all. I've got some very important news. There's somebody coming to the island that is staying, unless they die. So, I'd like you all to meet somebody. When are they arriving and who are they arriving in? Stefano. He's really good. Okay. When will he be arriving? As soon as the beep. Hello, everyone. I'm carrying your new rescue engine. He will be helping anybody that needs help. Please say hello to, I said, Splash Tank James. Hello, oh, you gotta be kidding me. My tanker's stuck. Oh, crackers, that hot. Oh. Well, at least my tender isn't damaged, nor my tanker. Sorry for the really bad entrance, but my name is Splash Tank James. Wow, you're so cool. Yeah, like really cool. You're the coolest person I've ever met. What was that? Oh no, it's raining engines! Everyone get out of the way! Oh, I saved you. But wait, who's that? You're me. But I'm you. You're me, and I'm you. But if there's two of us, then that means one of us is fake. I'm the new rescue engine. I've been here since episode 1. Fair point. But, you gotta be kidding me. Stop in the name of the law. Oh! That's what I thought. Now, don't get too carried away. Or else I'm gonna have to bash you all in here. Okay, here I come. It's like a tornado. I gotta get away. You're darn right, you gotta get away. I'm the new rescue engine, and I'm on fire. I'm on fire! Somebody use the tanker, please! I'll melt! Thank you, but now my face is all mangled up. Thankfully, I'm okay. You gotta be kidding!